Today we have a 1983 911 SC that is built as a tribute to a 1974 911 IROC racing car. Its drivetrain is a 3.6 liter Veroram 911 engine. So power to weight, it's got plenty. So let's take it for a quick run and explain the ins and outs of the build. Come on. All right, the obligatory cold start. She's been sitting outside all day long. We are gonna warm it up a little bit. It is an extremely nice build. It's got a really cool clock with a Hoyer emblem on it. It's not factory, but very cool. It's got a Momo Prototipo steering wheel, which would have been used in factory racing cars. It's got a lovely horn. It has a Wevo shifter for the 915 factory gearbox. We're going to put the windows down. You could even open the sunroof a little bit. It has a wonderful sound. You can see she's quite nice as a cruiser around town. It's all 911 or vintage 911 at this point, with a few amenities. You know, an IROC obviously was a race car and wouldn't have had a sunroof, but this has not only a sunroof, it's got a wonderful radio as well. The switchgear is absolutely new. It's got lightweight door panels, wonderful houndstooth sport seats, which you will see in the walk around, and shortly you will be able to hear it from the outside on our flybys. It has no disappointments. Open the door, close the door. Nothing in there. It's got a roll bar, not a cage. We're gonna drive it over here, let Jason out as we normally do, and have everyone see it from the outside. I hope everyone enjoyed the flybys. It is a cool 911. Once again, we're cruising because Friday afternoon traffic. The suspension is sprung really well, but it's not too rough for the street. The gearing is excellent. Lightened flywheel because it does rev quite quickly. And I tuned in the radio station. So as you can see, you have tunes in your IROC. It's been built with some of the best parts. The shifter with the Wevo is quite precise. 5th gear, 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd gear. We're going to get to the farm road where we get on it a little bit. Start cruising. Just part throttle, 4th gear. If you want to get on it. It has plenty of horsepower, giddy up and go, and of course 911 big brakes. Exceptionally well done build. Welcome anyone's inspection. I hope everyone understands with regard to 911s, it's very hard to road test them back to back to back to back to back because they are 911s. They all work really, really well. We're just trying to explain the nuances from one build to the other, one model to the other. But this one's real nice if this is what you're looking for. We're gonna close the sunroof. We're gonna bring it back to the homestead and put it in the showroom. I hope you enjoyed this road test as well. Thanks for watching.